Looking for a new fragrance to add to your collection? Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the enchanting aroma of Amber Rouge by Orientica, a brand renowned for its exquisite and unique scents. Orientica has long been a staple in the fragrance industry, impressing scent enthusiasts with its beautiful craft and exceptional quality. So, if you're intrigued by the allure of exotic scents, sit back and let's delve into the captivating world of Amber Rouge. First impressions always count, and Amber Rouge's packaging does not disappoint. The moment your eyes meet the box, a sense of anticipation builds. It's a tasteful blend of minimalism and elegance, enveloping a bottle that's nothing short of a visual delight. The box, a rich, fiery red hue, hints at the luxurious experience that awaits inside. Now let's talk about the bottle. It's a work of art, really. A sleek, rounded flask of glass, surrounded by a gold motif design, its weight a reassuring promise of the quality within. The cap, a polished gold hue, adds a touch of sophistication, reflecting the brand's attention to detail. The combination of glass and metal exudes an air of timeless elegance, much like the fragrance it houses. And oh, the label! It's luxurious and sophisticated, bearing the name Amber Rouge in an elegant script, a promise of the mesmerizing scent that lies within. The packaging of Amber Rouge is a clear indicator of the mesmerizing scent that lies within. Now let's uncover the magic that Amber Rouge holds in its scent. The first impression of Amber Rouge is a tantalizing dance of jasmine and saffron. The jasmine note is luscious, juicy, and sweet, like a freshly picked white flower warmed by the summer sun. It's a delightful burst of airy scent that captures your senses, making you yearn for more. Then there's the saffron. This exotic spice is known for its unique, intoxicating aroma, and in Amber Rouge it's no different. The saffron intertwines with the jasmine and ambergris, creating an enticing blend that's both sweet and spicy. It adds a certain richness, a depth that sets the stage for the heart of the fragrance. As the top notes gently recede, amberwood and ambergris make their entrance. Amberwood, the namesake of this fragrance, is warm, sweet, and resinous, wrapping you in a comforting embrace. It's like a soft, glowing light in the heart of the fragrance, creating a sense of warmth and depth. Ambergris, on the other hand, is mystical and aromatic. It carries a certain kind of magic, a spiritual quality that's been revered for centuries. In Amber Rouge, ambergris adds an airy, resinous touch, a perfect counterbalance to the sweetness of amber. Finally, as the fragrance settles on the skin, the base notes of cedar and fir resin emerge. These notes are rich and robust, providing a solid foundation for the fragrance. The cedar and its fir resin notes add a touch of versatility, a rough-around-the-edges charm that's incredibly alluring. The woody notes, meanwhile, are earthy and grounding, adding a sense of calm and tranquility to the fragrance. Together, these notes create a symphony of scents that's truly captivating. It's a fragrance that's rich, warm, and inviting, a scent that's complex yet harmonious. It's a fragrance that tells a story, a scent that evolves and changes with every wear, making each experience unique. Amber Rouge truly takes you on a journey with its complex and intriguing scent profile. Wondering when to wear Amber Rouge? We've got you covered. This exquisite fragrance lends itself perfectly to the cooler months of the year. Its rich, warm scent profile is like a cozy blanket on a crisp fall evening or a comforting fireplace on a winter's night. Imagine strolling through a forest of autumn leaves, the air cool and crisp, while you're enveloped in the warm, embracing aroma of Amber Rouge. Similarly, during the winter season, the fragrance's warm notes of amber and spice create an intimate aura, like a soothing cup of hot cocoa on a snowy day. Now, let's talk occasions. Amber Rouge is versatile enough for everyday wear, yet it possesses an undeniable elegance that makes it ideal for special occasions. Picture yourself at a candlelit dinner or a festive holiday party, leaving a trail of fascination with every step you take. With Amber Rouge, you'll surely leave a lasting impression, no matter the occasion. A great fragrance isn't just about the scent, it's also about its performance. Now let's delve into the performance aspects of Amber Rouge by Orientica. First off, the performance of this fragrance is simply remarkable. It's like a symphony that strikes the perfect balance between being noticeable and not overpowering. Think about projection as the radius of the fragrant bubble that surrounds you when you wear a perfume. With Amber Rouge, You can expect a moderate to strong projection for the first couple of hours. That means when you walk into a room, your fragrance makes a statement without you having to say a word. Moving on to sillage, or the scent trail left behind by the perfume. Amber Rouge leaves behind a warm, rich trail that's both inviting and intriguing. It's like leaving a bit of mystery in your wake, enticing people to know more. And let's not forget about longevity, the duration for which the fragrance stays on your skin. Amber Rouge, with its high-quality ingredients and expertly crafted formula, boasts of a robust longevity. It lingers on your skin for a good 7 to 8 hours, making it the perfect companion for your day-long events or night outs. In conclusion, the performance, projection, sillage, and longevity of Amber Rouge are truly commendable. It's a fragrance that not only smells incredible, but also lasts, projects, and leaves a memorable impression. Amber Rouge not only captivates with its scent, but also impresses with its excellent performance. So, is Amber Rouge the new addition to your fragrance collection? We've delved into the striking packaging that captures the eye, and the scent profile that captivates the senses. A unique blend of warm amber, sensuous musk, and luscious sweetness, it's a perfume that speaks volumes about the wearer's taste and personality. We've also explored the versatility of Amber Rouge, a fragrance that complements every season and occasion, making it a truly timeless choice. We've discussed its performance, projection, sillage, and longevity, all of which stand testament to the quality and craftsmanship of Orientica. The scent is robust without being overpowering, and it lingers just long enough to leave a memorable impression. The charm of Amber Rouge is hard to resist, and we encourage you to experience it for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned perfume enthusiast or a beginner exploring the world of fragrances, Amber Rouge has something to offer everyone. Amber Rouge, an enchanting journey of scent, awaits you. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your scent is your signature.